if you want to connect out Bluetooth devices, then what you can do is you can go around over here onto the show hidden icons area and click on the Bluetooth icon, and you can click on add a Bluetooth device. Alternatively, you can also go around onto your start menu, and then you can go around into settings, and then you can search for Bluetooth right here on the sets area, and Bluetooth and other device settings will appear right here. So to add in the Bluetooth device, depending on your device, you have to turn on the discoverable mode on. So this varies for all of the devices. So you have to look at the user manual for that particular device if you want to actually go around and then pair up that device. In my case, I'm pairing up my mobile phone right here. So I'm going to click on add Bluetooth or other devices. And in my case, my mobile phone is already set in discoverable mode as an audio device. So I'm going to go around over here and click on Bluetooth, and here you can see that there's different options for different type of device you might want to connect. So I'm going to choose Bluetooth right here, and now you can see my cell phone is here, as you can see. So you can simply click over here, and what happens is it is connecting. So depending on the device, again, the process for pairing up might be different. So if you're connecting a Bluetooth audio, headset audio, then it will not ask you for PIN. So there might be different processes for that. So I'm going to go around and type in my PIN right here, 1234, click on connect. So it'll ask for my PIN on my cell phone. I'm just going to go around and enter it. And now once that is verified, you can see that it says it is connected right here. So here it says your device is paired, it's connected, and it's ready to go. So if you were to go around over here onto Bluetooth right here, you can also show Bluetooth devices, and once you show, you can see all of your Bluetooth devices right here. So here you can see in other devices, this device is paired, so you can remove out the device over here as well. And depending on what you want to do, you can simply continue like using a device as a speaker, or you can transfer files or so forth after the pairing is done. So that is how you can pair a Bluetooth device by using your settings inside of Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.